Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve our skillrack daily challenge using Python programming language. Before going to logic, if you didn't subscribe to our channel, then subscribe right now and make our work more meaningful. First, we'll understand our question. The program has to accept the integer r and c, which represent the number of rows and columns, and then a matrix and integer x as the input, and 0 represents the empty slots and 1 represents the car. The program must print the first occurring empty slot on or above the xth floor. The instructions given are L followed by and k integer k, and then R followed by an integer k, and then U indicates the next floor. So now we'll take our first test case. So in this test case we have a 5 cross 7 matrix and k is 3, x is 3, and now let's just copy. So here this is the ground floor and this is the first floor and this is the second floor, and then we have third floor and we have fourth floor. Now x is given as 3, so in third floor we can see zeros occurring at the third position, so we'll have 3 in our output. So it will be like from right to left at the ground floor and left to right in the first floor, and then it goes on. And in second floor it is from right to left, and in third floor it is from left to right, and then we'll get 0 at the third position. So now when we move from right to left we get L, and for 7 positions we go right, so we have 7, and then from left to right, so we move up, and from left to right it is R7, and then we go to the next floor from right to left, and here we get L7, and then from left to right in the third floor we get the empty slot at the third position denoted by 0, so we'll print 3. So this will be our output. So here we have U as it is in the next floor. Now we'll understand the logic of this program. First we have to get the number of rows and columns as input, and then we'll get the matrix and the integer x. And after getting our inputs, now we'll assign a variable equal to, so we'll assign variables direction to -1 and floor to 0, and then we have to run a while loop. It is an infinite while where you're going to check the condition, that is if the floor is less than x or 0 is not present in the r minus floor minus 1, and we are going to check if the direction is equal to 1, sorry, minus 1, then we are going to print L and C. Also, in the else part, we'll print R and C, and we have to print U whenever we move from the next floor, and we have to increment the floor count by, that is, the floor value will be incremented by 1, and then direction value will be changed, that is multiplied with minus 1, and in the else part, if the direction is equal to 1, then we have to print R and index of 0 in R minus floor minus 1. So this is the R minus floor minus 1th row. So the matrix of R minus floor minus 1th row, and in the else part we'll print like the reverse of this, that is, we'll use minus 1 in order to get the reverse. So this will be used in the else part. So in the else part, we have to print EL and index of 0 in R minus floor minus 1 in the reverse row. And finally, we'll use break to terminate the loop.